Lend My Trend. So the fashion hire market is flooded with options. On average, 88% of renters waste hours comparing 4 or 5 different options before they even book. This is not only time-consuming and frustrating, but it's discouraging first-time renters from even entering the market. So we launched last year as a peer-to-peer platform to solve this problem. Quickly, we realised we weren't solving this problem and identified a major inhibitor to growth: logistics. So then we considered. We go to hotels to combine to compare hotel prices, we go to Webjet to compare flights, and we go to compare the market to save on home loans. So why aren't we comparing when it comes to one of Australia's largest growing industries, fashion hire? And hence we pivoted away from the peer-to-peer towards an aggregator and comparison platform for renters to compare and book the latest fashion trends from Australia's top hire boutiques. So whilst we're enthusiastic and passionate about solving the rental issue of comparison for our renters, our primary motivating factor surrounds the issue of sustainability. As a team, our mission is to reduce the impact of fast fashion on the environment. We do this by empowering and educating renters to rent, not buy. So what does this actually look like as a solution? So you can see this dress up here. It's listed by over 40 boutiques across Australia, all with varying prices, policies and postage. Can you imagine how long it would have taken me to check all 40 boutiques? Lend My Trend brings this research process down to mere minutes, and within 3 clicks, I'm comparing across Australia to find the best deal for me. So our team's got 3 university students. I'm the CEO and I use my experience as a commercial manager to help lead our team. Aaron, our COO, uses his psychology studies to identify exactly what the customer wants and builds our UX around this. And finally, Declan, our CTO, uses his experience in a prior tech startup to build our solution. So our target market is students and young professionals, aged between 16 to 25, with a minimal disposable income and a primary motivating factor of either saving money or saving time. According to official Allied market research, the clothing hire industry is estimated to be $50 million. Doesn't sound like much, but it's growing at 15% year on year. On top of this, the unofficial market is estimated to be double this, with no way to accurately measure Facebook groups and Instagram hire markets. So this is our growth and traction since launch last year with peer-to-peer. We had a massive reduction in listings as we got rid of everyday people. We've now relaunched with 1,800 listings from over 30 partnered boutiques. This is before we've even marketed and before anyone's seen our product. Lend My Trend also has glowing proof and social reviews, as well as we've appeared in countless editorial issues. And as a team, we're invited to exhibit at this year's TechCrunch in San Francisco. So you've probably all heard of Glam Corner and One Night Stand, and you may be wondering how we're any different. These boutiques hold their own inventory and we do not. This means that these boutiques now, instead of becoming competitors to us, simply become partners that list on our platform to increase our offering to our customers. Peer-to-peer and Facebook groups provide too many options for a renter and are confusing and frustrating to find the best deal. So we bring together all of these boutiques in this platform into one place for renters to be able to compare and save. Our ask for today is simple. As we look forward to the future, we ask for investment contacts as we look forward to potentially raising in the near future. If I can leave you with anything today, I want to leave you with exactly who we are and what we do. I'm April, here with my co-founder Aaron, and we're a platform to compare and book the latest fashion trends from Australia's top hire boutiques.